They're asking of food. Let's see. See? You can see? Ang mga mini pusa. Hala! It's not a food! Hey! Ano ka namasa nito? Uy, hindi yan pagkain. Uy! Ito talaga. I'm gonna give you a food here. Huh? Huh? What about you? Huh? Oh. One more. Oh, it's not a food. Huh? Hala. Huh? My goodness. Nabahinga ko sa inyo. Kasi tingnan mo yan, oh. Ayan. Babahinga ko dyan sa mga grasya na yan. Para kayo mga baby. Ay mga ibon. Nagpapatugon. I mean, nagpapasubo. Oh. Ito. Ha? Kaya niya. See? Para kayo mga ibon. Kukit mo ya, ha? Ha? Ito. Oh, see? You guys are so cute. Ito naman. Here. Oh. Itong dalawang to pagka-cute-cute. What about you? I'll give you this. Ay! Ito yun. Ang cute. Ang pagkain nila. One more time. Oh, last. Last for you, Harry. Harry. You're done? Okay, for you. Stop eating it. Ito. Ano-anong kinakain itong isang to. Last one. Last. Take it. There you go. Oh, you spit it out. Why? Why did you spit it out? You spit it out, Harry. More? Let's try again. No? It's in there. Look. Don't bite me. Sometimes you're biting me. Huh? Okay, it's for you. Good job. Itong isang to, siya ito lagi eh. Ito, nama. Tingnan mo. See? Tingnan mo. See? Sometimes, he's letting me to touch him. But, all of the time, he's shy. See? Jump, jump, jump. Hop, hop. See? No! My finger is not a food. Harry. Don't bite me. Smells your food, that's why. Yeah? Can I give you one more? Huh? Harry, here. Harry, come. Come. You do understand, huh? Come. Harry, here. I'm holding one piece. See? Harry. Good job. What about you? One more? Would you like one more? Come on, stand up, stand up. It's almost. Stand up, stand up, stand up. It's almost. Ah, stand up. There you go. Good job. Oh, that's enough. Say bye. Bye-bye, cutie pie. Ooh, more? Nope. My phone is not a food. Bye, cutie. Jesus. Kagigil mo.